Summit Counter Depth Bottom Freezer Refrigerator 24-inch. Very few bottom freezers offer frost-free operation as efficiently as this model by Summit does. While it is not as deep as other models mentioned on this list, the refrigerator more than makes up for it by its excellent modern features. Let us start with its auto defrost function. All you need to do is press the button and let the bottom freezer take care of the rest. The device also features an open door alarm, high temperature alarm, child lock, removable drawers, and adjustable storage. Place this refrigerator in your kitchen, and you will provide loads of convenience to the chef. All the compartments inside the bottom freezer are easily accessible and let you organize items according to your priorities. Plus, the temperature control system allows you to freeze ice cream and various other desserts in a short period. Pros: comes with a digital thermostat, vegetable crisper, bright LED light, excellent durability, fingerprint resistant, spacious wine shelf. Con: the product does not have reversible doors.